Hi everyone. If you haven't heard yet, Udemy just launched an exciting new feature, Roleplay AI. It's designed to make learning more interactive, hands-on, and honestly, a lot more fun. Think of it like crunching a real-life business case, but with a virtual coach or supervisor guiding you through it. If you're not sure what it is or how it works, don't worry. You're in the right place. I'll walk you through everything you need to know, and there's a special surprise waiting for you at the end of this video. Here's what we're going to cover. What is Udemy's role play feature and how it works? The different types and difficulty levels of role plays. What to pay attention to before you start. Pros and cons of the feature. And how you can test it for free, even today. What is Roleplay AI? At its core, this feature lets you interact with an AI agent designed to help you practice real-life business scenarios. The AI plays a role, maybe as your coach, your boss, or even your client, and you respond in character to solve a challenge or task. Before jumping in, you'll start by reading the scenario section. This outlines the case, your role, and sometimes gives helpful hints. Especially for more advanced simulations, this section is critical, so don't skip it. You'll also see the goals of the activity and a quick intro to the role your AI partner will play. Each role play has a set time, usually 3, 5, or 10 minutes, and once you hit start role play, the simulation begins. 2 ways to play: talk or type. You can either speak to the AI or type your responses. If you choose to talk, remember, this is a conversation, not a monologue. Keep your replies short, under 20 seconds. If you need more time to think or prefer a slower pace, typing might be a better option. And just like that, the AI takes over and guides you through the activity. Super simple. Levels of difficulty. From what I've seen, role-play scenarios come in different levels or styles. 1. Basic checkpoints. These test your basic knowledge. For instance, you might be asked to classify companies using the BCG matrix, stars, cash cows, etc., or choose the correct valuation method based on a company profile. 2. Framework application. Here, you'll use structured models like Porter's 5 Forces, the GROW coaching model, or ADKAR for change management. The AI will challenge your ability to apply these frameworks in realistic scenarios. 3. Free-form conversations. These are more open-ended. Sometimes you'll get hints in the scenario, like whether you should outsource, relocate production, or delay a project. Other times it's wide open, for example, negotiating terms in an M and a deal involving earn-outs, founder transition periods and role, payment structures, and so on. These require a deeper understanding of the topic. What should you pay attention to? First, read the scenario carefully. Take notes. Think through your strategy before hitting start. Second, watch the clock. You can repeat the activity, sure, but aim to complete it in one go. It's more satisfying that way. And third, treat this like a real-world simulation. That mindset really makes a difference. Pros and cons of Roleplay AI. Let's start with the pros. It's a game changer. Traditional learning, videos, lectures can be passive. This feature adds interactivity and realism, just like a live workshop. It helps reinforce theory with practice. You apply what you've learned in dynamic, practical ways. Now the cons. Sometimes the AI gets stuck in a loop, repeating the same prompt. This could be a design issue from the instructor's side, or maybe your response didn't match the expected flow. In some cases, the scenario isn't clear, and you're left confused about how to proceed, with no human help around. And for now, there's only English language supported version. Still, the upside is so huge that I think these small issues are worth overlooking. Try it for free. Now for the surprise. You don't need to wonder if this feature is worth trying. You can test it for free right now. Check the description of this video, and you'll find links to all 6 of my courses with special free access for a limited time and limited number of users. In each course, you'll be able to find 5 to 10 role plays, and we'll keep building. Just pick the one that interests you most, try a role play activity among the classic lectures, and let me know how it goes. I'd love to hear your feedback, especially if you leave a review on Udemy. It helps me and future learners improve the experience. And keep in mind that this is still an experimental phase. Thanks for watching, and enjoy the role play. See you in the simulation. Cheers!